In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a cheap and effective way to clean your motorcycle chain sprocket using only kerosene and gear oil. So these are the things that you need: kerosene oil, a spray bottle if you have one, a gear oil cup, and a chain brush and a cloth. So I've arranged all these things that you need. So first step, you wanna put your bike on a stand, a paddock stand obviously, so the rear wheel can spin freely. Step 2, we're gonna apply the kerosene on the chain. So actually kerosene oil is safe. You can apply it to the chain and let it soak for a few seconds and then scrub it. And make sure that when you clean your chain sprocket, do not do it while the engine is on. Cleaning my rear law as well, because I didn't cover it while spraying the kerosene oil, so makes a lot of mess, you know. So the last step, lubricating with gear oil. So now gear oil is cheap, it sticks well and protects against rust. Make sure you apply a thin even layer on the inner side of the chain, like this part right here. That's where the sprocket contacts and pull the oil inside. So I'll show you how it's done. Make sure you spin the wheel a few times to help the oil settle evenly. And that's it. A clean, smooth and protected chain without expensive products. And maintain your chain every 500 to 700 kilometers for best life and smoother rides. And thanks for watching.